Joseph, protector of the Holy Church, that is to say, of the family, by yours truly. March 11,
Father June.
Tuesday, March 10, we will have St. Joseph Novena Mass in San Antonio. Everyone here to attend
Father
the
June.
Novena Mass every day from March 10 to 18, and on March 19 on his solemnity. There will be different theme every day based on the titles. When the priest says,
Happy birthday, March celebrants.
In the name of the Lord, our response is, who made heaven and earth. Let us join our fellow thanking the Lord for the gift of life, celebrating their birthday this month of March. Our help is in the name of the Lord,
who made heaven and earth.
Loving Father, as we ask you to bless all of us through the celebration of the Holy Eucharist, we are so filled with the greatest gift ever, our Holy Communion. Your Son, Jesus Christ, we thank you so much. We ask for your special blessing upon these, your children. Grant them, O Lord, their inner longings. Waiting for your invitation, si Father. Thank you very much. Again, we will bless the elements of water, salt, and oil. Please,